Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Just want to give you a video tutorial on the analytics. We have just today I posted the US government manufacturing charts with today's date of the 2nd of August 2018, European standard way of doing the dates. We also have another US government Fed charts today, the 2nd August 2018. So when you come into here, all you got to do is they should show up in the econometrics section in your dashboard. You'll find them here. So it's simple as that. So let's download the first one, which is a zip file. And just to give you a bit of history, if you go into the channel at Quant Labs, you should be able to search on a better synopsis on these charts.
Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.
Under the youtube.com Quant Labs chart, if you look up, let's say Fred, you'll find lots of charts. Well, not lots, but a couple. And NAPM is another one as well. I guess not. It's not U.S. government. So we got here. It's under the YouTube channel. So we have a bunch here as well. So you can do those search terms on YouTube for a better analysis on how this works. But let's download the charts and see what they consist of. So first, let's talk through the U.S. manufacturing charts. All these charts are, of course, zipped up. They're forward-looking. So I'll do this one. You can extract it or open it up as a zip. So we got here a bunch of charts here. So it can take a while to go through, but forward-looking, downloaded from various sources. But if you go through the YouTube search, you should be able to get the links, sources of them. But I just want to go through these charts very quickly. Forward-looking. So we're looking at is inventories. The one I like to look at is the net. So when you start to see here in sky blue, when you see that slightly going up since 2015, you can see how far back it goes to 2007, but when it starts to build up like that, it's not a good thing. Means they're not selling a lot of product. See the orders. See here, again, when you just look at the sky blue here, does rise up, come back down, and it comes back, but you can see that big decline there, which is not a good thing. Permits, these are housing permits or building permits, I believe. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so you get the data as well from the data source. So all I care about right now are the charts. So let me just sort this properly. Okay, so we'll do this one with the comma separated value. So if I do this, so basically percent and change, it's done quarterly. Here's the date and here's the actual number. Okay, so if you want the raw data, it's provided as well. So here's the CCSA. What we care about is the chart. So there's a continued claim insurance unemployment. It is just coming down all the way back from 2008 all the way down, which is good. Historically, is it low? I don't know why, but it's not historically low. Durable good orders. Once again, we can see it slightly going up, flat line just recently, so it's not too bad. These are hard products. GDP, we know about the numbers here. It's been rising. Industrial production, again, has come down slightly and it has gone up. So once again, this is production for business equipment. Has stalled a little bit, you can see here, but it's not gone up. So we got here, production durable consumer goods has dipped in 2008-9, has been pretty strong since. That's good. Then we also have production manufacturing, not hitting the peak in 2006 before that drop, but it's been a steady incline, not too bad. Then we have production materials. These are input. They're on their up. Be interesting to see what happens when the tariffs kick in. Here we have mining. That's when Obama was in town. Didn't care about mining, but it's come back up. Manufacturing inventory we've looked at. Imports. So again, it's held steady. But again, it'll be interesting to see where those tariffs will take it. Inventories, manufacturing inventories. It's always that sky blue. That's all we really care about. We can see it's building, which is a reflection of a slowdown or the early stages of the tariffs kicking in, where inventories are building up. Exports was probably dropped. Yeah, it did drop, and that's because, again, of tariffs. So, not good. New orders, it's dropped off. I guess the input costs have really taken its toll on new orders. So here's another PDF. It's been strong. Let's see what this one is. Been steady. Non-farmer payroll, it's been going up. Permits, these are building permits, housing permits authorized by building permits has been steadily inclining, but nowhere close to the before 2005-6 levels. PMI is obviously a big one, has come down. That's not a good sign. So again, early stages of the tariffs. Let's see what we have here. So here, Universal Consumer Sentiment, it's been pretty strong, but it has tailed off. Unemployment rate, been steadily declining, which is good, but it's going to be interesting to see if it ticks back up. So those are the manufacturing reports. So let's check out this other one here called U.S. Government Fed charts. And this comes from the St. Louis Fed. I've shown in those YouTube videos where to get a source. So here's our copy right here. So let me extract that. So there we go. So this looks similar to the previous. Just make sure. U.S. manufacturing. Yeah, these are all the same, it looks like. So no need to repeat that. Yeah, it's all the same. Okay, well, there you go. That's how you use it and interpret it. As I said, it's forward-looking. Hopefully this will help you out and give you a true reflection of what's happening in the markets, which will help you out in both Forex and potential direction on where the indexes are going, because you're going to see data that you're not going to see anywhere else as things definitely slow down, and by what sector. Talk to you later.